The term polarized has become very popular to indicate a car's window glass is darkened with a plastic film which reduces the amount of sunlight inside the vehicle. Although this service is offered as polarizing, in most cases the plastic film glued to the glass does not polarize the window, it only makes it darker. On the other hand, there are truly polarized materials and they are used in sunglasses, reducing glare that might hurt your eyes. Conversely, there are many attractive sunglasses in the market, but they don't really use light polarizing materials. A simple way to check if the sunglasses you're about to buy are really polarized is using any imaging device that has a flat liquid crystal screen, such as a digital TV, a desktop computer, or a cell phone. The first thing to do is to hold the sunglasses a few inches in front of your eyes and look through them either at the computer they have in the store, a flat screen demo TV, or even your own cell phone. All you have to do is rotate the sunglasses to change the polarization angle. At a certain degree of rotation, the image of the TV, the computer, or your cell phone should become dark to the point where it disappears completely. This tells you that the sunglasses you wish to buy are truly polarized. I hope this video is useful to you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Shabatarin.